Good day to all home learning partners, teachers, and Mandunong learners. Welcome to our Project eDream, Division, Remediation, and Enhancement of Aptitude in Mathematics. I'm Teacher Cristy and your math buddy for today's lesson.
Mathematics 4, Quarter 2, Week 2. Our objective: writes a given number as a product of its prime factors. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's have a short review about prime number and a composite number. So what is a prime number? Prime number, a number greater than 1 with only 2 factors. The number 7 and 23 are examples of prime numbers. 1 and 7 are the factors of 7. And 1 and 23 are factors of 23. Here are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. How about a composite number? A composite number, a number more than 2 factors. The numbers 9 and 12 are examples of composite numbers. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. And the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Remember, the numbers 1 and 0 are neither prime nor composite. They are considered as special numbers. The only even prime number is 2. Now, let's proceed to our lesson. When a composite number is written as a product of all its prime factors, we have the prime factorization of the number. The prime factorization of a number is the product of all the prime factors of that number, including repeated factors. There are ways on how to find the prime factor of a given number. First is factor tree method. So what is a factor tree method? Factor tree method is a diagram used to determine the prime factors of a number greater than 1. Another way is continuous division method. Continuous division method is a method wherein to divide the given numbers by common prime number until the remainder is a prime number or 1. For example, the number 16 can be written as a product of its prime factors as 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Factors that are repeated can be collected and expressed as powers of those factors. We can use the example 16 as equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or we can express it as 2 to the 4th power. Let us study this. Let's find out the prime factors of 16 using factor tree and the continuous division. So the factors of 16 are 2 and 8. 2 is already a prime number. So the factors of 8 are 2 and 4. 2 is already a prime number. So the factor of 4 is 2 and 2. Therefore, the factor of 16 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How about if we use the continuous division method? So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, the prime factors of 16 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Therefore, if we use factor 3 and continuous division, they are the same answer. So the prime factors of 16 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or we can express it as 2 to the 4th power. Another example, let's find out the prime factors of 20 using factor 3 and continuous division. The factors of 20 are 2 times 10. 2 is a prime number. So the factors of 10 are 2 times 5. 2 and 5 are already a prime numbers. Therefore, the prime factors of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. How about if we use continuous division? So 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So the prime factors of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. So if we use factor 3 and continuous division, they are the same answer. 2 times 2 times 5, or 2 to the 2nd power times 5. How about the prime factors of 56? Again, we use the factor 3 and continuous division. So the factors of 56 are 2 times 28. 2 is already a prime number. So the factors of 28 are 2 times 14. 2 is already a prime number. So the factors of 14 are 2 times 7. 7 is already a prime number. Therefore, the prime factors of 56 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. In continuous division, 56 divided by 2 is equal to 28. 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. So the prime factors of 56 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Therefore, using factor 3 and continuous division are the same answer. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, or 2 to the 3rd power times 7. Let's try this activity. Write the letter of the best answer in each item. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer in each item. Number 1, what is the prime factorization of 20? A. 3 times 10. B. 2 times 2 times 5. C. 2 times 2 times 10. And D. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Go! Good job! Number 2. What is the prime factorization of 12? A.
3 times 2 times 4. B. 2 times 2 times 3. C. 3 times 8. And D. 12 times 2. Go! Correct! Number 3. 2 to the third power times 3 times 5 is the same as A. 2 times 3 times 5. B. 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. C. 6 times 3 times 5. And D. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Go! Great! Number 4. 2 to the second power times 7 is the prime factorization of which number? A. 63. B. 56. C. 42. And D. 28. Go! Very good! And number 5, the prime factors of 40 are A. 2 to the second power times 3 times 5 to the second power. B. 2 times 3 times 5 to the second power. C. 2 times 3 times 5. And D. 2 to the third power times 5. Go! Good job! That's the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Teacher Cristy.